Hey, guess where I'm going? I am going to the recycler. No, I'm not going to the dump. I cannot go to the dump with these air conditioners. These are 4 old air conditioners, wall mount air conditioners, and I happen to put them back in the new boxes. And here's a dumpster right here. Should I maybe throw them in this? No, you do not want to throw air conditioners in that dumpster. They have to go to recycler. You gotta do it that way because they reclaim the Freon type material inside. You don't want to throw that in a dump, you know, because then it gets out into the landfill. That's a no-no, okay? And here's why I put them in cardboard boxes. I didn't know how I was going to get them to the dump. I did not have a truck, but a friend of mine had a truck and he's letting me borrow it today. So I'm taking 4 of these to the recycler. Now, if you don't have a truck, can you take your own to the recycler? Yes, you can. If you save the new box of the wall mount air conditioner that you're installing, put the old one back inside the box. It takes a little bit of effort. You could tape it all up and you could fit it in your car, maybe in the back seat or the front seat. I've even done that before for 1 or 2 or something like that, okay? You could do that. And so take it and be responsible. Take it to a recycler. Now, sometimes recyclers will let you do that for free. If you open up a residential account with them, you might be able to take these and not have to be charged. Now, some recyclers are different. You may have to charge, and they may charge you and you may have to pay upwards to $30. These are gonna cost me close to $30 a piece to send to the recycler, but I don't have any choice because I want to do the right thing. Don't I, Tony?
Yes.